That works too, or a big long stick. All my Phoenix people, just want to give you a quick tip. A lot of people are scared of wasps. If you look right here, we've got a pretty big nest there. As you can see, there's nothing on it. There's no bugs. So don't be afraid of it. They're not going to come back to that nest again. Don't say abandon it. It's done. And it's really simple to get rid of it. I have this nice little Webster thing here to help me take webs down and wasp nests and things like that. You can also use a broom. That works too, or a big long stick. The important thing is if there's no bugs on it, then it's dead. It's been there for 20 years. You can knock it down and you don't have to worry about getting stung. It's literally this simple.
You're killing me, Smalls.
That's it. Have a good day and let me know what bugs you.
No me moleste mosquito, let me eat my burrito. No me moleste mosquito.